Wedding Network, a platform where all categories from the wedding industry are together from all over the world. We have people from Colombia attending this meeting. We're expecting people from Islamabad. We're expecting people from Vietnam, Cambodia, etc. So let's see who joins in because of the time zones. So Global Wedding Network is a global platform. The idea is to collaborate and share businesses amongst wedding categories. We started about a year back. We did a series of meetups, physical offline meetups, which is a thing of the past now. But we were fortunate that, last year we had the opportunity to meet everybody in different cities, states. We did about 4 meetups: Bangalore, Chennai, Cochin, and Hyderabad. Um, Goa was due this April, and all of us know the story there. Yeah. So the idea is to meet often, to build this community, to hold hands in difficult times, to just say, I care, I'm there for you, let's do this together. Right? Simple as that. All of us are in it together. Like I was joking about it last session, saying all of us are in, like a bad, I don't want to call it shit, but yeah, a space. And it's only depends on how big inventory you have, how many big, team, how big your team is, how many states you're operating in. It only makes a difference between how deep you're into this. But all of us are in trouble. But it's okay. It's all matter of time. I think, like last time, all of us shared how this time has been a great resource for learning, for us to explore virtual platform, for us to reach out to different countries that we would have not even thought of. So this is a break we would have never taken, but it's like God given to say peace out. So we're making most of the opportunity. I'm going to introduce the team who started this entire journey. Varun, Uday, like Akash was saying, Varun started this with an idea of creating a global platform for wedding industry. And then there is Varun. Say hi to everybody.
Hi everyone.
Okay. So, Varun runs event management company spanning 3 places, which is Dubai, Cochin, and Bangalore. He has teams across. And yes, this is Varun's brainchild. And then he got Siddharth. Siddharth is moderating today's session, and because he's traveling and the bandwidth is not great, he's not going to be switching on his video. Siddharth, you can just say hi to everybody.
Hey everyone, it's a pleasure to have you all with us today.
Yes, great. So that is Siddharth Hegde from Bangalore. He is a floral decorator. He supports a lot of wedding planners in Bangalore to execute weddings. And then it is me, Mansa P. Kumar. I run a 13-year-old event management company. We do weddings, corporate events across India. So yeah, so that's us. And I'm going to be introducing our Ali is our tech partner, our CTO. He's not on the call today. He just got married about a week back, and so we're giving him that time to just, take a break. We have given him a strict notice saying, please don't do any work for 1 week at least. Yes. So that is Ali. So now I'm going to be quickly, not taking too much time, introducing our zonal heads. So India is huge. We want to cover the length and breadth of it, and that is possible only with people who have taken responsibilities for their zones. We have about 4 zones. I'm going to be starting with our own zone, which is Karnataka. Akash, our ARB photography, very famous guy all over the world. So we are very lucky to have him on board to be our flag bearer. Akash leads the entire South Indian region. Akash, say hi.
Hey, hi everybody. A very happy evening, and thank you so much, Manasa, for the lovely introduction. Collaborations. We are here to collaborate, no competition. Cheers.
Yes, great. Thank you. And just to, how big is the South India zone, Akash, for us to know the numbers? Any? Unmute him. Let him be.
So yeah, can you repeat the question?
How large is the the South India wedding GWNSI region? How big is it?
So honestly, I don't have the count of the number of members. We are above 2,000 for sure. And the best part is we are there in 6 states: Telangana, Andhra, Kerala, Goa, Tamil Nadu. And Tamil Nadu, best part is Chennai has the majority of the people in one group. And then we have other regions like Pondicherry and Tiruvannamalai and other zones, tier 2 cities, in one group. And we also have our very own Karnataka, which has been the first source of, global wedding network. So this is it.
That is a big region.
Absolutely, huge region. And we are looking forward to grow and make it huge and large for all the regions all across the India. Let's rock.
Okay, everybody from Chennai, any of the South Indian states and cities, you need to know Akash, and assisting him is Vishak. Vishak, are you here? I saw him. No. Okay. So Vishak and Akash lead the South India region. So anything related to the region, getting more visibility.
Hi.
Yes. Oh. Hi.
Hey, hello everybody. Hi, this is Vishak here, and great to see you all today. I'm here, Mansa. Sorry, I couldn't unmute at the moment. Yeah, so it's good to see you all, and I'm heading. I'm assisted by. I'm assisting Akash as a deputy zone head of South India, and great to see you all in big numbers. Let's talk this. Thank you.
Awesome. Great. Thanks. So after South, we are moving towards the West India. They're led by our star choreographer Pramodini Shetty, who likes to be called Pam. So Pam is the flag bearer there, assisted duly by Neeraj Shah from Vapi, Valsad. So Pramodini, go for it.
So hi everyone, hello, this is Pramodini Shetty here again, and I'm the zonal head for the West India region. Currently, I think we have managed to get to 122 participants in our West India group, which has been a very, a good number of growth that we have managed to have a lot of people join us of all different categories, and we are growing, and with my partner Neeraj Shah, I'm sure West India also would continue rocking, and thank you GWN for everything. Looking forward to a lot of collaborations.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So anything related to West India, these two rock stars are the ones you need to talk to. Neeraj, say hi. Maybe.
Hi guys, Neeraj Shah, Deputy Zonal Head, West India GWN Operations. And like Pam said, around 120 members and growing. So we're covering all the tier cities. So we have people from a place like Vapi, then Surat, Baroda, Rajkot, moving into Maharashtra, so Pune, Nasik, and Rajasthan, Udaipur, Jaipur. So we want to cover the entire West, and we also want to ensure that in case we do come across people who are from other regions, as we are into a lot of cross groups, so we would like to pass them on to the rightful region and ensure that GWN becomes the group of India, and let's collaborate, let's grow together. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So I'm going to be straight moving into the newest baby on the block for GWN, which is East India, led by Rohit Mathur. Rohit, all yours, please.
Hi. Hi, I'm Rohit Mathur. I am the zonal head for GWN East. I've just taken over for me and Priyanka. It's just been, I think, just 2 weeks into the GWN network in the East. And we are slowly building the team. We have just around 50 members in the group right now. But we are slowly adding good people to the group. We are making sure that we have started interacting with each other. And we plan to do some activities and events as soon as we have a bigger group. And Priyanka, in fact, today is not feeling well, but she has been still able to come in. Thank you, Priyanka. So Priyanka, please.
Yeah, thank you. Hi everyone, I'm the Deputy Zonal Head of East India. we have just started this East India platform, the global wedding networking platform from the East India. We just took over, I and Rohit. So looking for more and more collaboration and more support from the East India event managers in Jharkhand, Bihar, Assam, Bhubaneswar, Siliguri. We are looking because we know a lot of event managers are there in this East India zone. So I am looking forward to more and more people can come up and just collaborate because this platform is giving a huge like collaboration to everybody and a win-win situation to everybody. So looking forward to it. Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have been spearheading East India region, and it's not an easy region to get everybody together, but they have put double the effort to make sure this team grows. Great, kudos to you guys. What I want to request all of you zonal heads is to use the chat box if it is enabled. Yeah, it is. So if you can use the chat box and leave your numbers there, so that everybody can make note of your number. If they know of anybody in your region who's not in the group, they will quickly send the number to you saying, please add them, right? So that's what is going to happen. And then we have a North India region, Sanchita. Sanchita has another event happening now virtual, so she's not here. So North India, basically they are leading from the Delhi team onwards. North India team is also doing fantastically well. Lot of opportunities coming from there, lot of collaborations happening from North India with South, basically that's what we know of. So yeah, so collaborations are, and if you can see the mix in the room, it's not just the metro cities, we are talking about union territories, smaller tier 2, tier 3 cities, penetrating into the smallest of the region. Wherever there is a wedding happening, we should be there. That's the idea. We should be there to support, saying that let's all do it together. Our global support system is, we have people from Dubai, Vietnam, Cambodia, etc. So Varun, anytime they log in, you need to just let me know. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, great. So zonal heads are sharing their numbers. Others, please make note and contact them if anything comes up. Great. So that is about introducing our team. So last week we shared about how everybody is working on tools and ideas to come out of this situation that we are in. Our effort is to only see how as a network we can support each other, right? So one of the initiative was going local, which is Know Your Member series. Last time I was rushing because we were running short of time. I'm going to spend like about 3 minutes on that now. After this, Neeti, I'm going to be handing it over to you. Okay. So, okay, great. So what is Know Your Member? Know Your Member is a series where you will contact this is a series initiative, virtual initiative led by the zonal heads completely. You need to reach out to your zonal head, whichever region you belong to, and tell them that you want a Know Your Member session happening. What happens in that session is the zonal heads will interview you on Facebook Live, Insta Live, whichever you're comfortable with. GWN will interview you. That's the idea. You can use that interview, about 30 to 40 minutes of interview time, as a marketing tool, right? You can use that as a marketing tool on your website, on your Instagram, it's the fastest way to tell people what you do. Everybody loves watching videos now, and everybody's just scrolling up, right, on your phones. And when they see you talking about your brand so passionately, they will talk to you saying, wow, she said such good things. I really think, we should talk to her about choreography, about emceeing, things like that. So use this platform. Know Your Member is a series we are starting in August, we've already started from yesterday. Please, we are going to, first round of registrations will close this week, which is starting today, is already Sunday. By next Sunday, we will close the registrations for August. Or everybody who wants to register, please talk to your zonal heads and tell them that you want to do it. Then they will call you and set it up. There's a format. They'll send you the format. You just need to fill details and get started with it. Okay, that is your Know Your Member series. Number 2 announcement is we have 3 modes of communication. One is WhatsApp group. If you're not part of GWN WhatsApp group, use the chat window right now. and tell people like, please add me in your WhatsApp group. I belong to this region. Zonal heads will pick it up and add you in the group immediately. Okay, so WhatsApp group. Number 2, Telegram. Siddhartha is going to be copying a link to Telegram. Telegram is India level. Okay, rather, everybody who's part of GWN is part of Telegram group channel. That is where you get all the information. We will be loading your videos on that, your information, what is going to happen next, etc. So please download Telegram and get on channel with us. Number 3 is Facebook. Facebook is the most effective tool during these times. All of you have seen, most of you using it very effectively. We have Priyanka in the room, who is like almost a Facebook star. Priyanka Raghuvanshi is like doing a lot of activities, right? So I request all of you to like and join our Facebook page. What you can do there is share your work. Shamelessly share your work. That's like one platform where you just share it, you will get some 20 likes from this room. We will reshare it, right? So what happens is, that is how, we need to virtually now handhold, right? That's the best way to promote each other. Please use the GWN Facebook group, share your work shamelessly. We will re-promote, make you the star however possible, and get you, whatever, what do you want to call it, give you visibility. Okay, so that's all my announcement. Now over to our MC in the room, Neeti. 10 minutes, go for it.
Thank you so much, Mansa. So first of all, a very, very good evening to all of you who are watching me. So before I start, all I want to tell you is I'm given 10 minutes. All I'm going to try in this 10 minutes, because it's a surprise for me also what I'm doing today, because it's just that I entered the room and Mansa was like, can you do something for us? And we as an artist never leave a chance to showcase what we can do. So that's when I told her, yes, I will, no matter how unprepared I am for this. So only one request, this 10 minutes can be a hit for you and me if you all support me. So all I want to ask you is, are you guys in this with me? Are you guys in this with me? Just show me a thumbs up so I'll know you are with me in this. Great, I can see a lot of thumbs up. So Darshan sir, can you please give me a thumbs up so I know you're with me? Great, I can see all of you. So please first switch on all your videos. Priyanka Chaudhary, can I see a thumbs up from you? Yes, great. So I want you all to switch on your videos. People who have problem, I totally understand, but people who don't have a problem, please switch on. It will be a great fun, I'm telling you. Okay, very simple. Also, I just want to know, will we be able to unmute everybody for a minute later when I need it, not now. Great, thank you so much, Mansa. Going ahead, first thing first, all of you just follow my instructions. It will be nice if you put it on a speaker view so that you can see me. Put all your screens on a speaker view, okay? Great. So what we are going to do first is a warm-up activity. So the next 10 minutes, we're going to social distance ourselves from all the information on this pandemic and this COVID, and we are going to become friends with laughter and happiness is what I'm going to try to do in this next 10 minutes, because all of you look very stressed right now to me. So I'm going to try to just bring a small smile on your face. Very simple. Pehle hota hai warm up. So we're going to do a warm up. The warm up, you need to just look at me so that you will understand it. When I say husband, you need to take your left hand, one finger up like this. Yeah, just put. Yeah, perfect, Mansa. You're doing it great. Yeah. So just the left hand. Yeah. And when I say wife, because wives are always right. Wives, girlfriends. So when I say that, you need to pick your right hand up, because wives can never be wrong. So right hand, right finger up. And when I say marriage, so marriage is an occasion jahan pe celebration and balle balle hota hai. So when I say marriage, both the hands up, you're supposed to do balle balle. Very simple. All of you need to do it. Tabhi maza aane wala hai. Forget, don't be hesitant, don't feel shy. We all here are friends. So just do this for yourself and nobody else. Do it for yourself. Ready? Can I see some thumbs up? Ready. Thumbs up. Yes, perfect. So let's do this. Husbands, wives, husbands, wives, Kedar, can I please see you? You're laughing, but you want to do it along. Kedar, come on. Husbands, wives, husbands, wives. Shadi, 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 shadi. Kya baat hai? Just give yourself an applause, please. Just give yourself an applause. You guys, okay, but not too much because this was just a warm-up. Now we're going to start with the real show. So this was just a warm-up. All I'm going to do is now I'm going to play some music. Not as good as DJ Sunny for sure, but a basic music that I can play, which I quickly arranged in this 1-2 minutes that I had. And all you need to do is just dance on that song. Forget all your worries. Dil khol ke naachega. Sari tension bhool ke naachega. Or up, nobody can say me that we don't know to dance because I just taught you balle balle. Okay, so this warm-up was for a reason. So I taught you to do balle balle. So if you don't know to dance, just do this balle balle. So I'm going to play the music and I want to see all of you dancing. It's just a request from me. Live this next few moments for yourself and nobody else. And here we have the music.
Pam, you can put...
Everybody, come on, come on. Everybody. Ganesh, Mr. Ganesh, please. Mr. Sudarshan, Mr. Kapil, come on. Mr. Adrian, come on. Come on. Pause. Freeze yourself. Don't move. Just freeze yourself. Now when I do a countdown of 1, 2, 3, you need to make the funniest face, as funny as you can be. Make the funniest face, and I'm going to choose who is the Mr. Funny here, or Mrs. Funny, or Miss Funny here. 1, 2, 3. Mr. Ganesh, you're doing great. Mr. Christopher, I love your face there. Priyanka, wow, amazing. I feel Priyanka wins this one. Priyanka, if everybody can just find Priyanka on your screen. Priyanka, can you please hold that moment? If you can find Priyanka on the screen, please have a look at her. And Mr. Amit from Events Venue, you are also doing a great job there. Okay, so this was Pramodini, wow. Like, you've always been so much filled with it. Sunny, I can see that face, Sunny. Okay, so now I'm going to play that music once again, another song. I am from Chennai, so thoda south ka to tadka lagna chahiye yahan pe. So all the south zone people, buck up yourself. Yes, I can see the energy there from our photographer, our south head already, full energy. So buck up yourselves, even from people from north also seem all in energy. So I'm going to play a song from the south, so thoda energy ke saath. Come on everybody. Everybody, come on. Taylor, come on. Pause. Now what you have to do is forget all your worries, all your tensions, and can I request the host to unmute everybody. What you have to do is when I count 1, 2, 3, you need to give the loudest laughter of your life, as loud as you can be. There's an option that comes on the screen. Please unmute yourself.
Yes. Everybody can unmute themselves.
You can unmute yourself. Quickly unmute yourself so that I can count 3. And on the count of 3, give the loudest laughter, guys. Loudest laughter. 1, 2, 3. Go for it. Go for it. Mr. Varun, loudest. Come on.
Priyanka's not laughing. Priyanka's not laughing. Why are you laughing?
Come on, Priyanka. Come on. Mr. Kapil Kumar, balle. Perfect.
Adrian is not laughing at all.
Adrian, and I even have to mention about Adrian. While all of you are dancing, Adrian has his own style of dancing there. So he doesn't dance. All he does is just moves his head. So he doesn't want to dance. That's his style. Okay, now I'm going to play the music for one last time because I just have 10 minutes. So one last song I'm going to play. And all the people who have not danced until now, it's just a request. This one last song. Please dance and enjoy this moment for your own self and nobody else. One last song for all of you. And here it goes. Come on, everybody, come on. Adrian, come on, Adrian, last song, come on, yes, perfect. Please. One last time, I'm going to unmute all of you. Can I request the host? One last time, we're going to unmute all of you. And all you have to do is just listen very carefully. We all together are going to give a round of applause for your own self for surviving this crazy times so well, so positively, and for this wonderful platform of GWN, which is getting all of us together from the different parts of the country, in fact, the world. So together, we're going to give a loud applause, give the loudest clap that you can ever give. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, go for it.
Yes.
That's awesome. So all I'm going to try to tell you here is laughter is and will always remain the best therapy. And no matter what is your age or what is your business or what is your profession, entertainment and the show will go on, and we are going to be there, and people can never miss out on us. So always wear a smile, and don't worry, good times are going to be coming very soon, and we are together in this, and we're only going to get better and better. So Thank you so much, Mansa. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I totally enjoyed doing this, though it was like a very last minute. But thank you so much for giving all your support. I had like a great time watching you all dance. And I just want to mention Mr. Ganesh. I guess he's holding the phone as well as dancing. So I like how he was switching his hands and still participating. Yeah. So thank you so much, Mr. Ganesh. Thank you. And I want to mention the South head. What a great energy there, like in all the moments. So thank you, even Pramodini, Mansa, all of you. Like I could see few of you in the screens. And one special mention, so Adrian, finally he danced on the last song. So I'm grateful for that. So thank you so much, all of you, for being so supportive. Thank you. And over to you, Mansa.
Thank you. Wow. See, this is very loud. You put the entertainers, ऐसे 2 minutes, I've given her 5 minutes. It's tough, that's it, and she rocked it. Thank you so much, Neeti. You were a rock star. Like, you absolutely owned the virtual stage, and how. So,
Thank you so much for the opportunity.
You took it up. That's the best part.
Thank you.
So, Jen, Neeti, I want you to please put your number down in the chat box for all of us to reach out to you for anything related to online events from different states. And once the offline event starts, of course, then down.
Yes.
It's a fantastic job.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So last meeting, it was DJ Sunny for the show, and then it led to Sarah singing, etc. And every week, I'm telling you, be here. You'll never know what's the surprise, right? One entertainer somehow makes our day. It's all with the intent of, stay happy. This group will make you happy. Just the support itself leads to happiness. That's what I see happening. Great, super. Okay, what we're going to do now is one important announcement. DJ Sunny is taking over at approximately 4:45. He's going to be, crazy tunes. He's already ready there. DJ, how do we need to be ready for the party?
I think if you guys are day drinking, go for it. If you guys don't want day drinking, still be ready for it. Just be ready to listen to some rocky music and have a good time, and just forget about the stress around you. That's all I can say.
Great. Another 15 minutes, we are going to be rocking to DJ Sunny's tunes. And
Mansa, excuse me. Before that, JK has joined from Vietnam. Yes. He is running a restaurant there, Indian restaurant.
Great. Let's introduce him. JK, are you here? Hi JK, welcome to GWN, and we're going to unmute you. You can unmute yourself.
Unfortunately, so the second wave have started here. So now it's 2 days of lockdown started. So unfortunately, like it's restricted. I cannot remove my mask and then I cannot talk properly. I'm so sorry.
No problem at all. Please, it's absolutely respected, and we really appreciate that during the time of crisis you still made a point to show up and meet all of us. It's a big hi from the entire Indian Global Wedding Network fraternity, ranging from Delhi till Kanyakumari. All of us are showing a thumbs up to show our support to you. Okay, that's from India to Vietnam. Yes, please tell us.
Thank you so much.
What do you do there? You run a company called Indian Curry.
Yeah, it's Indian Curry. It's an authentic Indian restaurant. So past from 2 years, I'm running this restaurant in Vietnam. So based in Da Nang, it's a central Vietnam. So it's a travel destiny. So it's like it's a heaven. It's a wonderful place. You have a good valley, the beaches, the place, and it's very good around for the fresh air, the beautiful valley, and all. So it's in heaven. So after all this virus and then hope for the best, like everyone can join together to have a look around, so can enjoy the ambience.
Great. Thank you so much. Vietnam, known for destination weddings, must have really taken a hit during these times, and really appreciate that you are staying strong, being there, saying let's bring that industry back to where it belongs. So
I hope for everyone has to back to their business. Hope for the best, and then of course obviously take some time, but still it will be a better place for the coming future.
Right. Any specific steps that you're taking to get your business back? Are there any marketing tools you're using? How are you working? What are you doing? Tell us, JK.
So at presently, after this, so we have I have to go with all the travel agencies, or all the places, the local tourism places, what they have taken, and then give them a good package so that the tourists will be back online. And I have a deal with VJet Airlines. It's a local airlines, but VJet Airlines domestically has just taken care of them with the crew members, with the pilots, everyone, so that they can have the Indian meal with a nominal price. So they have a good team there here. So everyone are fighting back against this. So they are also supporting for all the hotel industries, the catering industries, the factories, the industrial zone. So where Indian, so American, Aussie music, all everyone everyone can enjoy the Indian food at the nominal prices. I'm targeting for that places still now, but still the dust has to settle down.
Yes, absolutely. And how are you using this time very effectively? How are you keeping yourself occupied?
So online, everything is runs on online. So of course, obviously, I'm bored of this online and this lockdown. The first wave has gone. It has locked down for 20 days. And then slowly it was on track. Everything was okay. But unfortunately, from past 3 days, it was all of a sudden, it's a second wave breakdown. So, so all of a sudden, almost 80,000 tourists, the local tourists, has been sent back to their respective places. It has been evacuated. So it was clean. Almost 110 flights run in 3-4 days. It was a rapid rescue, and then all the places is on high alert, so that not even a single virus or not even a single patient can suffer from this.
Right.
The Vietnam government has taken it so perfect this thing, so they are in high alert. So the best way of handling things, they are the best one. They can handle it. They have already done it. So I'll pray for that they'll do it again.
Great, sure. Thank you so much. Thanks for being here with us. Please stay back. We have some respite from all the tension that is going on. DJ Sunny is going to be playing some really good music. I hope it can bring some peace for you during these disturbing times.
Sure.